Mom's got another job for us. This time it's a solar lawn ornament that refuses to light up. Let's start by popping out the 4 screws and see what's happening on the inside. Oh, battery acid is everywhere. Let's grab a toothbrush soaked in isopropyl alcohol and start scrubbing. Well, crap! The positive terminal just fell off. We'll address that right away after we get things tidied up. Ah, much better. Let's strip the wire and solder both the wire and the terminal back together. I don't love the positive terminal's corrosion, so using electronics cleaner and a wire brush, let's clean this as best as we can before returning it to place. Taking a quick voltage reading, this old battery only hits 0.72 volts when it should be closer to 1.22. I pulled out a new non-rechargeable battery for testing, while the new rechargeable battery charges. This one hits 1.32 volts, which if the light functions should do the trick. Aha! Pretty blue. Seeing that the terminals still work, let's cover the bare wire and seat them with some hot glue. I apologize for the obstructed angle on this one. The new battery has recharged. And it measures 1.45 volts. Great. Let's try it out. More pretty blue. Let's reassemble the fixed solar light. Thanks for watching my video. If you're new here and like what you see, click the subscribe button and I'll see you next week.